Hello.
Hello,
Hi, how are you?
I am great. Thank you. How are you, Rebecca?
I'm great as well. Now, I want to get your name right. Is it Ramzan?
Yes, correct, Ramzan.
Okay, Ramzan. Okay, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. I am not making the mistake in pronouncing your name because this is most common name, right?
Very good. Yes, it's a very common English name. Yes, Rebecca.
Yes, that's why I'm not making a mistake. So, Rebecca, what's your profession?
Um, well, okay, before COVID, I,
There
I
are
was a
different
makeup
professions.
artist.
Sorry?
I was a makeup artist in Canada.
Okay. Uh-huh.
Yes, but of course, with COVID, this is not possible. So I am teaching English online, which I love as well. So I'm doing this for the time being.
And you mean that you will resume your work after COVID?
I don't know, I'm not sure. Maybe I just make a big change with my career because I like to travel and it's COVID right now, but I'm in Mexico right now.
So what I
So,
I, I found that there are a lot of people who are from Mexico or any other country, so they like to travel. So what's the reason behind this traveling? I mean, you are
yeah,
learning something new or what?
of course, yeah, traveling, you're always learning something new, a new culture, but also Canada is very cold in the winter,
Uh-huh.
like -20 to -40 in some places. So really, really cold.
Okay, so
And
currently you are living in a cold place?
currently, I'm in Mexico. So I'll show you. This is not cold at all. It's 30 degrees and sunny and
Oh,
nice.
wow.
So,
Beautiful place
this is
here.
much nicer. Yeah. I live close to the beach. hmm
Okay,
And
and
with COVID,
yes.
things are at least open here. I don't know if it's a better situation, but the stores, the restaurants, everything is open here
Uh-huh.
in this town. And in Canada, at least in Toronto, where I'm from, everything is still closed completely. You can't go out of your house.
Okay, and you are living with your
Mhm.
family or someone else?
Sorry, say that again.
You are living with your family?
No, no. No, I travel by myself, but in this apartment, I have a roommate because it's a little more expensive. It's a nice apartment. I
Okay.
met a friend and yeah, we're sharing an apartment.
Okay, great. And you are also visiting there in a beach which is near to you?
Yeah, it's like a 15-minute walk to the
Okay.
beach.
And I
Yeah.
mean, that is free of cost? I mean, you are visiting there, that is free?
Yeah, the beach is free. Yeah.
Okay, because I
Yes.
thought that maybe there would be any
Thank God in this
ticket to
world
book.
something is free.
And in the daytime, people are visiting there and just lay down on the sand. So is it like that?
hmm Yeah. Yes. Lots of people at the beach. Yes. Lots of people at the beach swimming. You can go scuba diving. You can go paddle boarding or what's it called? Like on a jet ski.
Okay.
Um, there's a lot of activities. There's kite surfing. I don't know if you know what these activities are. But
So yeah, they are performing these things inside the beach, right?
hmm And there's lots of, restaurants along the beach. You can get like a massage on the beach. There's lots going on. Yeah. A
So
lot going on.
massage is costly, right?
Massage sometimes. Sometimes they're not bad. Of course, maybe you get what you pay for a little bit, but I find on the beach they have good prices, decent prices. Yeah.
So,
Um,
so for example,
because they're quick.
yes, normal price would be
A normal price for a massage, I mean, would be like at least $100. And
okay.
on the beach, they're maybe $50. Or no, they're 50, it's 44. I saw a sign that said $44 for two people.
Okay.
So 22 each, really. This is really cheap. Yeah.
Yes, and you mean that those who are doing this massage, so they are from cross gender or same gender?
Oh, I think you can decide maybe if you want.
Mm-hmm.
Is men and women, yeah, yeah.
So it
Of
depends on
course, if you're
the.
more comfortable with one, you can say I would like a man or a woman. Yeah.
Okay. So other than that, what's the important thing over there nearby you?
The important thing, like, what do you mean? Like, things to do or see?
Yes.
Yeah. There's Chichen Itza. I don't know if I'm spelling this right, but like Chichen Itza, it's pyramids, ancient Mayan pyramids.
Mm-hmm.
Um, there's a lot of like ancient ruins, like old temples and things you can see, like old pyramids. There's it's known mainly this area is known for the beauty of the beaches and the cenotes. There's cenotes. Um, Actually, I'll send you a picture. 1 second of a cenote,
Okay, okay, no
Mexico.
problem. So one more thing is like the place where you are living. So there is also the culture of, I mean, boyfriend and girlfriend before the marriage.
Like a honeymoon culture?
No, no,
Or what do you
sorry.
mean?
I mean that I have heard about the California, UK, that those people, those who are above 18 years old, so they live with their girlfriend and boyfriend, and they live away from their parents. They become independent. They try to do their own jobs. So this is something in your case also.
Um, I that's just normal for I think like Canadian and American culture. You leave home around 18, usually to go to school. Like if you go to a university, most people, unless you live in a big city
Okay.
with a university, most people you have to go live in another city or something. So this is just normal for us. We usually leave home at 18, 19 years old. Um, and yeah, and maybe come home like in this when you're done school for a little bit. But typically, yeah, we're expected to be like independent like that though.
Okay. And
Not really our choice.
your parents are also supporting you, or you are
No, no.
fulfilling your own?
Oh no. How old do you think I am?
You are about 23.
Oh, you're so sweet. I'm 30.
Okay, you are 30.
Traveling is doing wonders for me, okay?
Yes, yes, yes.
Yeah. So, yes, I haven't lived with my parents since I lived with them for a little bit when I was 25, 26. Yeah.
Okay, and then after you become independent, right?
Completely, yes, yes. Yeah.
And now they
Yeah.
don't take care of yourself. I mean, they are doing a phone call in a month
We
or in
talk
a
on
week.
the phone, of course. Yeah. Oh, we're out of time.
Okay, no problem. So thank
It's
you.
nice
Thanks
to
for
meet
your
you.
time. learned a lot
Next
from you.
time I will ask you questions.
Yes, sure, I will be.
Bye.